In this video, I'll talk about how you can start a single cylinder manual engine. The first thing you need to pay attention is you need to switch on the injection pump. Injection pump, you need to switch it on. By the time you switch injector on, then the second thing you need to pay attention to is the decompressor. This is the decompressor. You must bring it downward like that to decompress the engine. In the initial, as you are about to wind, you must decompress the engine so that you can rotate the engine. If you don't decompress it, the engine will not rotate. So let me request for winder and let us see how to go about it so that you can know how to start the engine. If you don't know how to start the engine, this winder can injure you. But with this brief explanation, you should know how to start a manual single cylinder engine. You can see my hand, I'm pointing. You need to on the injection pump first. Let it be at the middle. If it's at the upper part, the upper side, then it will not start. Let it be at the middle. Then you go, your first hand will be on the winder, then your second hand will be on the decompressor. You must decompress it. Now you can turn the engine. If I leave the decompressor now, the engine will not rotate because it will be difficult for me to do. You now see, I leave the compressor now, I cannot rotate the engine. But as soon as I press the compressor downward, do you now see the engine can rotate? By the time you rotate it faster, then you leave your decompressor, the engine, then you remove the winder and the engine will gradually start. But before then, you need to check the engine oil. It's very, very important. At this point, let us see how we can start it. Don't forget the oil. You need to check the oil. Two things. You check the oil, you on the injection pump and the decompressor. Now, let us start the engine. See how we're going to start. You see, one hand on the winder, one hand on the compressor. Then I see the one hand on the compressor. Then he put the injection pump to the middle, then less one. Do you now see? You rotate, you rotate, you rotate. At a point, then you leave the decompressor, you move the winder. You can now see the engine is now running. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me off the engine. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. It is very simple. On the injector, decompress. When you rotate faster, remove the winder, then release the decompressor, and the engine is going to start. You can see the decompressor. This is the decompressor. And you come here, do you see it's at the middle? If you want to increase it, you can put it downward. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.